Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.5 question number 16 part 2nd. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Today I want to describe about suitable identity and its use. It means how you can find the dimensions of a cuboid. A cuboid have three dimensions: length, breadth and height. Suitable identity is volume of cuboid equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question very easily by the help of this identity. Identity is volume of cuboid equal to length multiply breadth multiply height, and dimensions of cuboid are length, breadth and height. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. You can solve your question very easily, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Do not forget, like, subscribe and share it in your friends. Clear? See the word. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.5 question 16. What are the possible expression for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volume are given below? Question 16 part 2nd. 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. It is given question. You find possible expression for the dimensions of cuboid. Cuboid have three dimensions: length, breadth and height. Volume of cuboid equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You find length, breadth and height of cuboid. Clear, no confusion. It is volume of cuboid. Clear, no confusion. Very good. 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k is volume of cuboid. It is volume of cuboid. You find length, breadth and height. Suitable identity. Identity. Volume of cuboid equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. Volume of cuboid equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. It is suitable identity. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k equal to, here 12ky square, here 8ky and here 20k. So you can take 4k common in all. Clear? Take 4k common in all. Here you can write here 4k and here 12ky square. If you divide 12ky square by 4k. Then you can find 3y square. Plus, if you divide 8ky by 4k, then you can find 2y. Minus, if you divide minus 20k by 4k, then you can find 5. Minus 5. It is clear? If you multiply 4k and 3y square, then it becomes 4 3 ja 12ky square. It means it is correct. If you multiply 4k and 2y, it becomes 4 2 ja 8ky. It means it is correct. If you multiply 4k and minus 5, it becomes 5 4 ja minus 20k. It means it is correct. It means your process is correct. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here 5 and here 3. So you multiply 5 and 3. Here 5 multiply 3 equal to 15. You multiply 5 and 3, you find 15. 5 3 ja 15. Now you factorize 15. 15 divided by 3. You find 5. 5 divided by 5, you find 1. It means 15 equal to 3 multiply 5. It is factor of 15. Factor of 15 is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Now you make two pairs of factors. 5 and 3 are two pairs. Clear? You split 2y by the help of factor of 15. Clear? You can write here 4k in brackets 3y square plus. You split 2y by the help of factor of 15. Here you can write 5y minus 3y and here minus 5. It is clear? You split 2y, you find plus 5 minus 3y. It means if you subtract 5y and 3y, then you can find 2y. It means it is correct. Clear? Now you make two pairs. First pair and second pair. Clear? You take common. Here 4k. Here you can take common y. Because here 3y square and here 5y. So you can take y common. Here y. 3y plus 5. Here 3y minus 3y and here minus 5. So you can take common minus 1. Here you can write 3y and here plus 5. It is clear? If you multiply minus 1 and 3y, it becomes minus 3y. If you multiply minus 1 and plus 5, it becomes minus 5. It means it is correct. Clear? Here in first brackets, here in second brackets are same 3y plus 5. It means your process is correct. Clear? Now you can write here 4k in brackets. Here 3y plus 5 in first brackets, 3y plus 5 in second brackets are same. So you can write in first brackets 3y plus 5, in second brackets y minus 1. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Hence 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k equal to, in first brackets 4k, in second brackets 3y plus 5, in third brackets y minus 1. Y minus 1 are dimensions of cuboid. Are dimensions of cuboid. You find your solution very easily. You find dimensions of given cuboid 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. It is clear? No confusion about it. Here 3 steps: 4k, 3y plus 5, y minus 1. One is length, second is breadth, and third is height. But you cannot say which is length and which is breadth and which is height, because you have no solution of y and k. It means you cannot find the value of k and y. So you cannot say which is length, which is breadth and which is height. But you can say very easily these are dimensions of given cuboid. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Identity is clear. Solution is clear. No confusion. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Do not forget, like, subscribe and share it in your friends. Clear? Very good. Okay.